Hello guys, it's me Jennie. I'm back and today we're doing a tutorial on Jennie's Like Jennie song. Are we ready? So let's go straight into it. Alright, you want to start going forward with your right leg, boom, back with your left leg, boom, and bring back the right. So it goes right, left, right, and right, left, right, and. Same time, you want to swing your right arms, switch it to the left, and make circles here up above the head, spice it your way. Okay, let's put them together slowly. 7 and 8, I go 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Again, 6, 7, and 8, go right, left, swing, swing. Very easy. A little bit faster. 6, 7, and a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4. Yes, from here I'm gonna go step to the right and collect with my left while I open my knees. So it go 1 and a 2. Again, 7 and 8, go 1, 2. All right, let's try from the top. Put everything together. 6, 7 and 8, go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Yes, from here I'm gonna jump up, tap with my heel to turn up like this. 1 and 2. Let's take it slow. I'm gonna jump up with my right up here, pull it down on the heel, turn in with my toes. Same time moving back here. So you go 1 and 2. Slow. I'm gonna try. Jump, step in. Yes, second, 7 and 8. 1 and 2. Yes, here 1 and 2. Straight to kick with my right. Push my hands forward. Jump in, and I'm crossing with the right forward and the left back. So kick, jump. Okay, so from the jump here, I go 1 and 2 and 3. Yes, again, 7 and slow. Boom, ka, ti, ka, ka. Okay, let's slow down a little bit. Rewind, take it from the top. 6, 7, and 8. Go right, left, circle up. 1, 2, jump and ah. One more time. 6, 7, and 8. Go 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Goes 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1. Yes. So this is on 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1. Let's continue. From here, I'm gonna go right shoulder. Boom, 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 boom. So start with the right 2 times, left 2 times. Same times I'm going up with my right leg, going like boom, 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 boom. Yes. So right is going up and step, left up and step. Same time, a little groove with the shoulder. 7 and slow. Right and left and 8, 6, 7, and 8. Go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Here and bang, bang, bang. Sorry for that. Yes, so here's like just the legs. Boom, boom, click. Boom, boom, click, click. And this one you just go in any direction that you want. It can be here. It can be straight forward, it can be to the side. And the intensity and energy, it's up to you all, right? So let's try again. 7 and 8, go. Boom, taka-ta. Boom, taka-ta, ka-ging. Bam, bam. Good. We rewind. Let's go from the top again. 5, 6, 7, and 8, go. 1, 2, and 3. 4, go 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8.